Hi, Dr. Brickner, Brickner Chiropractic Health Center, and today I'm going to be looking at, or actually demonstrating how to use or how I do the QSM adjustment. Jarron's going to be our sample here of what we're going to try to achieve. The QSM is an adjusting technique that's designed to bring about balance and remove compression where the body is actually starting to fade. Gravity is always pulling down on us as the body distorts off the proper axis. That can cause compression and can cause irritation to the nerves, also aggravate the muscles. And part of the QSM assessment is to looking at one's posture and attempt to try and bring the body back to balance when it's not. In this case, Jarron's right shoulder is low, his body's shifting down into that right quadrant area. So I'm going to be adjusting or releasing the body so that we can cause that shoulder to come back up to balance. Part of the other assessment is looking at the hips. His hips are in pretty good position there. His right shoulder, though, is rotated back. Ideally, you want equal motion from side to side. When he bends his head to the left, he definitely is more restricted than going to the right. And part of the QSM adjustment is to try to bring balance and normal motion back to the spine. So, with that said, I'm going to have him lying on his right side here, and we're going to use the QSM adjustment to try to bring about, like I said, balance and normal muscle tone back to the spine, utilizing the head and neck area as our balancing points. No torquing, twisting, or popping in this adjustment. It's a series of presses and releases along the side of the face and into the neck in an effort to bring the balance back to the body. There's certainly release points throughout the body. There are quite a few in the head and neck area. So with the adjustment, I'm attempting to single out, identify the areas where there's constriction and compression, and to work through the soft tissues, the muscles, ligaments, tendons, in order to release the tension that's pulling the spine out of balance. And the post-check involves checking the range of motion. I like that. All right, come on up. And we're going to check the post posture. Relax your shoulders, straight ahead. And ideally, the head, the neck, and shoulders should all be in better alignment. And there you have the QSM adjustment. Once again, attempting to restore balance and mobility and remove decompression of the spine so that the body and the nerve system is working at peak performance. Thanks for watching a video tonight. Once again, that was Brickner Chiropractic Health Center, and that was the QSM adjustment. If you have any questions, check out my Facebook page. You can also email me with any questions you may have. Thanks for watching.